And I thought they only made I survived holding the flashlight for my dad's shirts, not I survived holding the flashlight for my sister's shirts.
Come on.
Learning to weld inside a pipe. There's not much space inside a 4-inch pipe, especially when you cut it in half with a big 1/2-inch plate. So there's one sister holding the flashlight. They're taking turns welding. Each person's doing a joint, doing a multi-pass joint, like 3 or 4 passes. They're getting the experience. Yeah, this is over welded probably like crazy, but it's an experience thing, so it's okay. It'll still work, it'll do its job, so they'll let them over weld it.
That was an okay first pass. That kind of filled up the hole.